Okay, so we have a 2006 Volvo XC90. This is the right rear door panel, and I'm going to show you how to take this trim panel off, which means that you can get to the window regulator, the door latch, the inner door handle, anything on the inside. The first thing you need to do is to pop off this trim piece on the inner door handle. This pops up and out, so you want to carefully pry up on each side. Pop it up like that, and then it'll pull out. If you look at the back side, it has these two hooks that hook down in, and it has these three clips that hook in right here. Once that is out of the way, if you look into here, there are two T-25 Torx bolts holding the door panel on. You want to take both of those. You want to take both of those bolts right out. Next, you want to take your trim panel tool, fit it in between the door panel and the door, and pry out. You want to go all the way around the door panel to get all the clips. And then you'll be able to pop it off. You want to hold it because it's going to be hooked onto the window wiring. Now, looking in at the door panel, you want to undo this cable that goes to the handle. You simply just pull it up so it's off of these clips right here. You can use a small screwdriver if you need to. And then you can see it's off. You can see that this moves freely. Now, the next thing you need to do is undo the wiring for the door window switch. On the outside, on the back side of this, there's a little lever that you push in, pull it out. You can see this lever right here. Just have to push it in, pull it out, and then the door panel is free to come away. Now you can see the door panel is off. It's a very simple panel to take off. To reattach it, you would hold the door panel up. You would then hook up your window switch. You would clip that back in. You'd make sure that the hole for the lock was over this, and then you would just clip it all back on. So that is how to take off a door panel on the rear doors of a 2006 Volvo XC90. If you need a video to take off the front door panels, I will leave that link also. I am going to do that. If you need a video on the front doors to a Volvo XC90, I will post that video also, but this is for the two left and right rear doors on a Volvo XC90. Thank you for watching.